Welcome to China Airline. Thank you for choosing the airline. Thank you for choosing the airline.
Okay, Captain, we got a rogue alien on the loose. How do we find him?
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Let's start with a giant fire.
Boom! Bam! Bop!
Finally!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? Time to gear up. Titanium handcuffs. Completely indestructible.
I don't need your silly gizmos, Fox. And you know why? Because I am 1,000,000% muscle. Good. You've been listening.
We're over the drop zone.
All right, here we go.
Sir.
Now look, we don't know if
Big
it's
bag,
Godzilla or
big-
Hello Kitty down there, but as long as we stick together, there is nothing. Team Sonic on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Team Knuckles!
Welcome to China Airline. Thank you for choosing the airline.
Boom, boom, boom.